NFTs may seem like an entirely complex concept. Although most people could probably only think of digital pictures sold as blockchain assets when NFT is mentioned, NFT provides new opportunities in various categories. This cryptocurrency-adjacent digital voucher has taken over the art industry since a year ago, and this doesn't exclude the music industry. There's no doubt that most people love music. You're probably watching this video because you're curious about the music industry, right? Comment down below if you're a music lover and which artists do you frequently listen to. Let's go back to the video. What's music NFT? NFTs for music may initially seem like the blockchain equivalent of purchasing tracks from iTunes. On the other hand, all you purchase when you buy a song from iTunes is the right to listen to it. On iTunes, you just have a license to listen to the content you just paid for. There is no copyright property. In contrast, music NFTs give ownership over the file through an NFT while still allowing anyone to listen to the tracks. Basically, creators have a unique opportunity to monetize their work in novel ways thanks to NFTs. Similar to how you would anticipate an NFT containing 3D art only to have a single 3D image, a music NFT only contains one song. However, it isn't always the case. Additionally, music-related items like concert tickets or record covers can be connected to music NFTs. Now, that explains why NFTs have in such a short amount of time gained such astounding notoriety. Beyond the blockchain element, the files that music NFTs represent could be compared to a Bandcamp stream, where fans have the opportunity to fairly directly support an artist while still allowing others to access the stream. The blockchain technology is essential for musicians in this situation because it allows the original artist to receive a portion of resales if an NFT owner decides to sell their NFT. This is possible because smart contracts are embedded in the ledger. How does a smart contract work? Automated smart contracts that authenticate a work and track its provenance and value as it is traded can now be used to replace the manual, slow, and error-prone procedure that existed before the advent of blockchain. Original artists can now retain most of their revenues when selling their work for the first time. With NFT, artists currently keeping around 85% of sales, in addition to royalties that are represented by a portion of each subsequent sale. Smart contracts provide cryptographical security and assurance for these processes, eliminating the need for expensive intermediates and regulators. To help you further, music NFTs have various types. First is the one-of-one NFT. It denotes that a single, one-of-a-kind NFT has been distributed. It is fully exclusive in this regard. Due to their scarcity, one-of-ones typically cost a lot more than any NFT editions. Next, NFT with Open Edition. An NFT that allows for the unrestricted production of editions is known as an Open Edition. Although open doesn't entirely mean unlimited either, as many open editions have limited mintages. There will be no more NFTs issued once the window closes. The limited edition NFT comes last. A limited edition can only be produced in a certain number of copies. In other words, there is a limited amount of NFTs that can be minted. These collections frequently include 10,000 editions. Aside from the fact that these artists are now free from agencies that get almost more than half of the profits from sales, NFT also empowers artists and opens more opportunities for them. Simply, many consumers purchase music NFTs as a means of better uplifting and financially supporting the artists they value. In this regard, music NFTs offer a huge chance to give power back to the people who create the songs we enjoy. Through the development of Web3 communities, they also build entire ecosystems around these artists. Through NFTs, we may establish a fairer model of wealth, with community ownership playing a significant role. Are you finally getting the idea of NFT music? Do you have any plans to buy, but you don't know how? Well, getting a crypto wallet is the first thing to do before buying any NFT. After creating a crypto wallet, you must add cryptocurrency to it. It's incredibly simple to purchase cryptocurrency through an exchange. Any exchange you choose will probably include some level of handholding to help you navigate it. The next step is to choose a marketplace to begin your music NFT collecting quest, after you've acquired and transferred your cryptocurrency into the wallet you wish to use to buy NFTs. Pretty simple, right? Now, the remaining part of your journey in buying NFT music is looking for amazing platforms to buy it. What are we here for? Of course, we got your back. If you're closely following our channel, you're probably aware of Algorand and how much this blockchain contributed to the innovation of crypto. The Algorand network recently welcomed Opulus, a music NFT platform. Opulus is the first platform to include a security NFT, which is a legally recognized asset that enables artists to use their music in a unique and new way. Algorand is a frontrunner in efficiency, completing every transaction from sender to recipient in less than 4.5 seconds. Opulus will expand quickly as lenders and borrowers recognize Algorand's potential to change the game. Republic created security NFTs in order to connect streaming royalties to an NFT. Through lending schemes using their music as collateral, musicians will be able to obtain future funding using this manner. Currently, the only option for musicians to achieve that is through record deals, where they are required to cede ownership of their music. Additionally, Opulus has stated that they will match any royalties made from a song by giving out an identical sum in Opal, effectively doubling an artist's earnings from their services. On May 10, 2022, Napster was also acquired by Algorand. A decentralized music ecosystem is being developed by the formerly peer-to-peer music sharing app. To create a self-sustaining music ecosystem, both artists and fans will receive rewards for participating. In addition to linking Web3 into the music industry, Napster aims to improve engagement between artists and fans, hence increasing the number of daily users on the Algorand blockchain. Also, A-Note Music's marketplace is integrated on Algorand for investing music royalties. The platform bridges the gap between the music industry and capital market. New music catalogs listed on the A-Note Music platform will grant tokens to investors, providing the opportunity to get a split of future royalty streams. This is made possible by the ability of tokenizing music assets and NFT from artists, publishers, and record labels on Algorand. Additionally, A-Note Music will launch a special section where fans of music may buy collectible NFTs straight from their favorite performers. Investors can track everything on algoexplorer.io and control these NFTs in their Algorand wallet. Data from Algorand's ecosystem indicates that 8 other music projects are utilizing their foundation. Stoy, Board, Svansecoin, Loser, Magma, Soundmart, Xfinite, and Crescendo are examples of these. All of them, with the exception of Stoy, are developing a metaverse, an NFC project, or an NFC marketplace. Developers will be able to take advantage of the Algorand network's many advantages when more software is built on top of it. Algorand will make it feasible to host the world's music in a way that is more equitable and balanced for artists because of its nearly non-existent network fees and capacity for many transactions per second. Algorand's usage of a specialized proof-of-stake consensus algorithm is responsible for these advantages. On Algorand, there are still many music-related projects that can be developed. In the upcoming months, decentralized apps and NFT features are expected to explode. The improved capabilities will create a favorable atmosphere for the successful development of blockchain-powered music platforms. This feature can be expanded beyond merely royalties of recorded works, helping to bring fairness to inequalities in the industry as a whole. Smart contracts on Algorand can be utilized for any sort of transaction or transfer of ownership. That's all for today's video. Do you have any plans on buying music NFTs? Or are you a musician who's planning to sell your music as an NFT? Do you think NFT is the future of music? We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you learned a lot from this video, hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the notification bell. Thank you for watching. This has been 60 Crypto.